friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery, and it is Monday, so it's time for Make and Knit Monday. So if you want to learn how to knit, grab some needles and some yarn and join me for Making It Monday. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you something really cool. This is a knitted I-cord. You can use I-cords for things like drawstrings, bag straps. I've made knitted baby dresses like sundresses and use these for the straps. So things like that. Really, I guess you could use them for just about anything. So let's get started. I'm going to teach you guys how to make one of these. So go ahead, and for this video you are going to need, or tutorial rather, you are going to need some yarn. Any weight yarn will work. But the knitting needles you're going to need double pointed needles. Typically these are shorter like these and have tips on both ends. So for this project you will need double pointed needles, which are a little different than your traditional needles. So go ahead and grab that material and we will get started. Okay guys, so I went ahead and unraveled that just because I wanted to show you how to start that from the beginning. So I have some yarn here. This is just some big twist yarn. I think it's like a blush pink color. It's kind of pretty. You're not going to need a long tail, very long tail, because we're going to cast on 4 stitches. Now with I-cords, you can cast on 3 stitches, 3 or 4. Generally I like to do about 4, but depends on what I'm making. Any more than 4 though, and it doesn't turn out quite right. So 3 or 4 stitches, choice is yours. So let's go ahead and get casted on. So it's 2, 3, and 4. And so I got my 4 stitches there. So this project is really, really simple, very beginner friendly. All you're doing is knitting. There's no special stitches really. So let me go ahead and just knit across these 4 stitches to start with. So it's 2, 3, 3, and 4. And now this is where you get your cylinder from, or your tube. Normally with knitting we would like turn our work and knit back. With this you're going to do something different. So we've knit across our 4 stitches. We're going to take our work and we're going to slide it to the right hand side. So we're actually working on the same side. So you're going to take your work again, push it to the right side. And so now it's pointing, you're working with your needle pointing to the right. So you grab your working yarn, and if you'll see, it's over here on the left, but we're going to start over here on the right. So we're just going to drape it across the back. And we're going to knit it again. So basically you're making a tube on 2 straight needles. And I think I got it on there a little too tight, so don't do that. But we're going to go ahead and knit these stitches again, just from right to left. You're going to knit across. Okay, so these needles are probably too big for the yarn I'm using, but these were the only straight ones that I could find at the moment. So there's the first, and it doesn't look like much at the beginning, but we'll do this a few more times together. So again, we're at the end of our 4 stitches. You're going to slide your work to the right, and again we're just going to pull it across the back and knit. One, 2, 3, 4. So you're just going to keep knitting those same 4 stitches over and over and over. But remember, when you're done knitting, instead of turning, you're going to slide your work to the end of your row. So just knit the 4. And then slide them to the right. And go ahead and do that a few more rows, and I'll meet you back once I get, a little bit farther knitted and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm back. So I've knitted a couple more inches, as you can see, and looking at it you can see that it's pretty much It's just one solid tube. So yeah, that's how you do the knitted I-cord. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. You can find me under boho_stitchery on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for joining.